India has two big problems that look unrelated: mounting plastic waste and roads that crack, rut, pothole after every monsoon. What if the trash could literally pave the way? Here's the idea: shred certain kinds of plastic, melt it into hot bitumen, lay a road that's tougher, cheaper, cleaner to make. This isn't sci-fi. It started in India decades ago, tested by engineers, already under thousands of kilometers of local streets and highways. So, does it work? On the performance side, plastic-modified asphalt binds better, resists water damage, handles heat swings. Exactly what Indian summers and monsoons throw at it. Cost-wise, it can cut bitumen use and extend pavement life, which means fewer repairs and less traffic chaos later. And yeah, it diverts a chunk of low-value plastic from landfills and drains. But here's the catch: not every plastic works. You want clean, dry, segregated films and wrappers. No PVC, no medical waste. That means reliable collection, sorting, and quality control at the asphalt plant. Without that, the mix can be inconsistent, and the road fails early. There are environmental questions too. If a road is poorly made, it can ravel and shed microplastics. The solution isn't to ditch the tech, it's to build it right. Proper temperature control, proven mix designs, drainage that keeps water out, and strict maintenance. India already has guidelines and successful pilots, from city streets to national highways, showing lower potholes and smoother rides. Scale is the next test. Here's the playbook I'd push. Lock standards. Which plastics? What shred size? Mix ratios. On-site temperature windows. Build supply chains. Tie municipal waste systems. Certified shredders. Asphalt plants. Traceability. Will plastic roads solve India's waste crisis alone? No. But they can shrink a messy stream and strengthen the roads we all use. Fade in. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe for more.